How's it going, YouTube? It's nighttime, obviously. And this is my wife's 2013 Kia Optima. And the front driver's side brake is locked up, and we had a blowout last weekend. So she's currently driving the old man's car. But now the battery's dead. And she needs something out of the trunk for our baby girl. And so she was wanting me to try to boost it off so we could open the trunk. So, for reference, the car is dead. You see no lights are on. It's just my phone light. I've got the key here. Press and hold. No trunk. Lock, unlock button. Nothing. So down here you've got your trunk release. Oh, guess what? That's electric too. Electric, all of it electric. And I got to thinking, there's got to be a way to get into this trunk, because there's no key, no keyhole. It's got a button there, button don't work, the battery's dead. So I thought, all right, well, let's lower the seat down. Oh, but wait, there's no release for the seat. That's right, the seat release is in the trunk. So how do we get in the trunk? Do we have to boost this car off to be able to get something out of the trunk? Well, the answer is no. So I got to looking, and I see that little thing right there. Oh, right there. And I popped it out, and as you'll see, it's got a trunk picture on it. And I reached down inside this hole. This is on the driver's side, as you can see. But if you reach down in this little hole, there's a wire. I was like, wow, what's that wire? And you gotta kind of fiddle with it. Get my hand through here. I got kind of meaty hands anyway. What's this loop? Hold on. Wonder what happens if I pull it. It's a trunk release. I would have never known that had I not just happened to see that little thing with the trunk on it. So yeah, for Optima owners, if your battery's dead and you need it in the trunk, right there is a release, okay? Now you know. And just for reference, right here is how you let the seats down on both sides. And then also, there is this right here, which is also a trunk release for if you're stuck inside. So yeah, that's how you get into a Kia Optima when the battery's dead. Thanks for watching.